Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really festive layered card for you. This is my ugly Christmas sweater layered card. How much fun is that design? You have all those crazy and wacky colors. You have all of the different fun confetti and all that around it as well. There's a bunch of space here on the inside for your message. And of course I included envelope as well. Now I used a bunch of 80s colors here. You could really make this festive with some traditional Christmas colors, or just go with it because heck, it's an ugly Christmas sweater, right? The uglier the better, but there are still those Christmas little touches inside the design. This is really fun to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a scraper, weeding tool, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you're not already a member of my crafting community, you can go and click the sign up button and you'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. Go ahead and take a look at all the different options that are available with each membership tier and then select which one is right for you. For now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in and I'll enter my credentials. And now I've logged into my account. To find the file libraries, use the main navigation bar and head to the Files tab. This cut file is available for all memberships. Those with free memberships will be able to find the cut file in the Free Files page. Basic and Premium members will be able to find it in the file library. No matter where you access the file, make sure to download it to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight this top layer, come up to the Operation menu and change them to Score, highlight the group, and Attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Now that you've converted the score lines for the envelope and for the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, so I've gotten everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we're going to do is layer up the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the yellow, orange, the blue, teal. It's kind of hard to see because it really blends in with my mat here. Pink, and then the dark blue. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side so we can go ahead and dry. Let's mat and layer the messaging panel. I will set that to the side. We can take our card base, go ahead and fold and burnish along the score line. Go ahead and open up the card and attach the messaging panel to the inside. Close up the card. And now we can attach the front cover panel to the front. And there is our card. I will set that to the side so we can go ahead and dry. Now let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel and glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. I'm going to grab the card and place it inside. This one does have a decent amount of layers to it, so I just want to make sure that I'm making enough room for it. Bring the side flaps in. Add glue to those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our layered card is all set. Wasn't this one really fun to put together? It did not take long to cut it out. It did not take long to assemble it. I hope that you really like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye-bye.